Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Shelly Teller. And for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 ways that your outfit looks cheap. Disclaimer, this is not to say that you have to buy expensive things or you need designer things. I hardly have anything designer or anything super ridiculously expensive. This is just if you're trying to go for an expensive look, these are ways that it's not working. It's gonna make your outfit look cheap. So let's get into those 5 ways. Before we do though, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that red subscribe button down below. You know you want to be a part of this fabulous family. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the first way that your outfits look cheap is wearing bad color combinations. For example, if you're gonna wear a white on white look, make sure that the whites match. Also, if you want that 2-piece sweatsuit look, make sure that that also matches. I've seen plenty of times people will wear all white and the whites don't match, and that automatically takes away from that expensive luxury look that you're going for. If the top is like an off-white color and the bottom is like screaming white, you know, you definitely want to make sure you pay attention to that. I think it can help. You know, you don't want to wear like orange and then wear purple pants, you know what I mean? That's not really gonna look expensive. It's gonna look cheap. So make sure you do pay attention to your color combinations. The second thing is colored shirts. Colored shirts with like the rainbow logo on it, or just like a random joke and stuff like that. Those shirts are cute. Don't mind me, I have some of them and I love them, but they do look cheap. If you're wearing them with like jeans or whatever, it's not really much ways you can make something like that look expensive. And of course there are going to be like the 1 or 2 scenarios where it can, but for the most part, wearing those type of clothings, it does look cheap. But like I said, it's not to say there's anything wrong with it. Like I said, I love those shirts with the different little logos on them. The third thing is striped shirts. I cannot stand a striped shirt. Like, I don't like them at all. The last time I wore a striped shirt, I honestly don't remember. I feel like it was when I couldn't dress myself. I just do not like stripes. I never really did. And if you do, that's fine. But I just think that striped shirts look cheap. Those are the type of clothing that you see maybe at Old Navy. I know Old Navy is known for having those stripes, but honestly it's 2021. We're not really wearing stripes anymore. And by stripes I mean like the ones where it's like so much and then the color's tacky. It really does look cheap. So I just would not go for that if you're piecing an outfit together. And also it just depends on how you're piecing it together. Sometimes that can work in the fall, but for the most part I just think striped shirts look cheap. Number 4 is see-through pieces, which basically means bad quality stuff. You guys ever seen like when someone wears a dress and you can see through it and see like their underwear, or if people wear shorts and you can see through it and see their underwear? That you can tell that it's not of good quality, and then also it just doesn't look like you took the time to put the outfit together. And also, you know, you really get what you pay for. If you buy something cheap, a lot of times that's what you're gonna get. So make sure that you guys invest in good quality things, thick textures where you can't see through them. Obviously if you're going for that mesh look with a shirt where you're supposed to see through it, that's 2 different things. But for a look that's you don't want people to see through your shirt or tell that it's a really thin, cheap quality, go for something thick. Even when you buy t-shirts, if you buy a white t-shirt, make sure that what you're buying is of good quality. I know Pretty Little Thing has some good quality t-shirts. You can even find some good quality solid t-shirt at like Marshall's. So make sure you guys go check that store out, and yeah, just pay attention to your quality. Number 5 is florals. I don't know about you guys, and I'm sure somebody's watching this wearing florals like but I don't like florals. Like, I really cannot stand florals, especially in 2021. I think that trend is over. I don't even see much people wear florals anymore. I just don't like it. I think florals look cheap, and of course somebody's gonna find the 1 or 2 examples where it doesn't, but it just does. it just looks cheap. Like the one, and when I mean florals, I mean the ones with a million different flowers. If you're wearing a dress with like all these flowers on it. I think beach, like when you wear like the beach sundress, the long one, if you're on the beach, it kind of works and it goes with the vibe. But just for the most part, floral shirts and floral skirts and even dresses, I just think no, throw it away. It's 2021, no more florals. All right, so that was it for this video. If you did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like I said in the beginning, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.